Hello everyone, my name is Josh Porcheller and this is my Chapter 7 video project. My project is based on a classroom of 4 and 5-year-olds. It's like a welcome night or an orientation for students to meet their classmates before school starts, so that parents will also be there, and it is a great opportunity to make that initial connection with parents. Let's talk about the classroom layout. So the round tables are for grouping and encouraging inclusivity. This is where the students will sit. The teacher and the paradesk here are close to the board, so it's for easier material access during the lessons. The rug that's by the board allows the students to move around for student engagement. The Fast Finisher bins in the library is a place for kids to read books or practice flashcards when they finish earlier than others, which happens. A sensory space in the red there is for the kids to learn more of themselves and even to help manage emotions when they need help finding ways to release extra energy. And when they need this time, you could have like Play-Doh, a water table, a trampoline, and building blocks. Those are just a few things that I did to help encourage a positive learning environment, which the chapter talks about is so important. Diversity is beautiful is one of the posters that I have here on the board, and diversity is can deal with race, it can deal with culture, where you were born, what kind of food you like, the language you speak, so many different things. So diversity is beautiful. As you can see, this poster covers the color part, the making everybody beautiful. Also, a very colorful poster I came up with here is always remember that you matter, making our students feel special in the classroom when they're away from home. All right, so my plans is for when the parents arrive is to spend a few minutes talking and getting to know each other. Once everyone arrives, I'm going to start by reading this book, and it's called All Are Welcome. And this book basically talks about a diverse crowd of students and basically says that all are welcome. And I scanned a couple of the pages in this book, and I'm going to read it now here. My favorite section said, no matter how you start your day, what you wear when you play, or if you come from far away, all are welcome here. And you can see the kids playing soccer together and pointing to different areas on the world map, which is so crucial. All right, then we will make our own book together. So this is the activity that I came up with. As you can see, it says, what is your name? What is something special about your family? Draw a picture of something special to you. So, with parents there, I will have parents help with writing about what makes their family unique when students draw, while students draw a picture to go with that. The purpose of this activity is to show that we are all different in our own ways, but yet we can still form our own book together, which will be pretty special when we can present that to the class and to other parents. All right, so after this activities, the kids can go play and explore their new classroom and their new setting, and this will be a time when I can talk to the parents. And we can talk about school and classroom expectations, as we talk is so crucial as well. I'll also give them a Meet the Teacher page with my contact information. This shows a little bit about me and my background, and I tried to use a little bit diversity in my about me, saying that my parents separated at a young age, and also that my great-great-grandma was a full-blooded Cherokee Indian. And hopefully you can get participation for students to open up about themselves. Lastly, I will have them fill out an interest inventory about their child's needs and interests, as well as the goal they wish to see their child accomplish this year. I think that's so important, as Chapter 7 related on. I will open up the room to let parents and students get excited about school and ask any questions they might have. And the parents who obviously cannot make it out on the first day, it's a great time to give them a call and make sure that they know how the day went with their child after the first day of school. I know that first impressions make a lasting significance, and it is important that all children feel important. So I carefully developed my plan to represent exactly that, a positive learning environment. I hope you all enjoyed my video. Thanks.